What? Do I have something on my face? You're probably plotting sloppy celery revenge.
No, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for being mean to you sometimes.
Who are you talking to? It looks like you're talking to me, but...
Seriously, I know what it's like to try to be the center of attention. I do it all the time, but sometimes it backfires.
We really need to work on your comedy routine. What's the punchline?
No joke. No punchline.
Oh, I get it. You want to be friends with me so you can be closer to Felina. You're not fooling me. You're just a silly Billy cat bully.
It's not that simple. I want to be popular. But you're the only dog around, so you get all the attention.
Whoa! You mean I make life hard for you?
You wouldn't understand.
Flix, Burma, no kitty chats, back to work.
Ugh, my nose is not that big.
Rub it off, rub it all off.
Ooh, whoa. It really does stink in here.
Ammonium sulfide. It's a chemical that creates a strong rotten egg odor. We've got Burma to thank for this one.
It was an accident, I swear.
Don't worry, chlorine bleach will take care of this.
Ew! Get back, horrid smell! You're not the only thing around here to pack a punch. Hi-ya! Hoo-ha-hee! Hoo-ha-hoo! Oops. But this gives me an idea. Cocker poodle doo!
We're trying to work here, Flix.
Sorry. I was trying to lighten the mood. And if you know how everything should be done, why are you even in detention in the first place?
You really want to know why I'm in detention? It's because of you, Flix.
Me?
Some cats were hissing about you behind your back. So I called them a bunch of scaredy cats, but they tattled on me, Taratsky.
I don't know what to say. Thank you for sticking up for me. And I'm sorry. I don't mean to be annoying or for everything to be about me, especially if it gets you into trouble. Let's clear the air.
I hate to say this, but looks like they've actually done a good job.
Take a sniffy whiff of that.
I don't smell anything.
Exactly.
Help. I'm stuck. Quick, Ratsky needs our help.
Let's leave him here for the night. I'm joking. Come on. Let's dig up this old fossil. Looking a bit pale, sir. Pale? Pale? Bucket? Aw, come on! I'm giving you gold here.
I forbid you to tell anyone about this.
Only if you let us off detention. After all, we've cleaned the school and saved the deputy headmaster.
Very well.
Nice. Hey, I've got a joke that will cheer you up. What do you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador.
I think I prefer it under here.